Hi, I'm Alessandra.
Hi, I'm Jonathan.
Hi, I'm Devin.
Hi, I'm Ethan, and we
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 are
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 for
for
the
the
horses.
For the horses.
horses.
The goal of this project was to speed up the process of matching animals in rescue centers with potential forever homes by incorporating information gathered by the rescue and adopter during the sign-up process that identifies potential animal adopters who meet the criteria and characteristics that the animals in need of forever homes require. We picked the new hacker track since we are all new to hackathons, and while we wanted to push ourselves, we also recognized that balancing the workload and time allotted would be difficult.
We decided early on that we wanted to use a framework, so the application was built using Node.js and the Express framework. There were some concerns with file permissions throughout the setup process, but these were finally addressed in the end. The biggest coding problem here was establishing the proper page routing in the app. It was also critical to keep everyone on the same page so that they understood the steps involved in cloning the project from GitHub, as little changes in the code may result in major dependency issues when executed. NodeMon was used as our local server so that any modifications could be viewed right away. Overall, we collaborated via GitHub.
This is the home page, often known as the index page. Customers will get their initial impression of our firm on this page. Our purpose is to bring people together with pets in need and to spread love amongst them. The charming artwork we selected demonstrates people's sympathy for animals and engages potential clients with this adorable picture. Those two icons represent the two most common pet species, and they take us straight to the search page, which already has the right filters in place, thanks to query strings used to toggle settings on the search page. The search feature is one of the most important aspects of our software, and it was a significant challenge for us to overcome. We opted to save all of the data in a JSON file to imitate reading from a huge database. We had to build a file with the appropriate attribute structure for each pet, then construct JavaScript code that reads the file with these exact properties and make related HTML objects to present the data in a tabular style.
users may search for cats, dogs, and other animals on the search page. When a user searches for a certain species, the function iterates over the array in the JSON file and returns all the entries that fit that breed, along with much more additional information about the individual dogs an adopter may use to contact the shelter, like the email and the shelter ID. Logging in allows the organizations to control their pets in the database.
In the user login section, this is where the user logs in. And if they're a new user, you can see here that they will be led to a new registration page where they will submit the necessary information to sign up. The organization page also works in a similar fashion where if you are a new organization signing up with us, then you will be also requested to register a new account. Unfortunately, due to the lack of resources, the actual registration and login checks and validations have not yet been implemented.
After logging in, animal shelter representatives would see this dashboard screen. On the left, you'll see the shelter's current active listings. Using the same code that runs the search results page, this reads the JSON database file and displays the information. There are 4 buttons in the bottom right for adding, viewing, editing, and removing listings. The information about the organization is presented on the right-hand side, but due to time constraints, this has been hard-coded and the edit link is not functional.
Each rescue organization generates a unique profile for each animal in their care that is available for adoption, which can be accessed through the organization dashboard. When a potential adopter creates their profile and searches for potential matches, the specification selected on the adopter's end will look for correlations between animals and the rescue has available to bring up a list of potential matches. Depending on the species of animal, such as dog, cat, bird, etc., the rescue documents that data that they have collected on the animals in such a way that when the potential adopter creates the profile and searches for potential matches, the specification selected on the adopter's end will look for correlations.
The About Us page, aside from having some very cute pictures, provides insight into the attitude we had when we were developing the app. We wanted to make something that would help those who are looking for a new pet. We also intend to make the process of finding potential adopters easier for adoption agencies. The About Us page was created with the EJS template, which employs HTML and CSS styling. Although the Contact Us website has a form for users to submit any queries that they may have, the actual submission mechanism has not been created due to time constraints.
Overall, this project provided us with significant experience in working with popular environments and frameworks such as Node.js and Express. We were ecstatic to be able to contribute to the ideals of the social empowerment, and we hope you will find our online application useful in the future.